Hey, it's Crystal Loren, and welcome to my channel. Enjoy. Welcome to my channel today, you guys. We're going to talk about our do-it-yourself wreath for Christmas. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And also comment below about any of the items you see here that I did not link below. I'm all about a frugal life, so these things were all on a budget. I'm really excited. This is my first time. Let's talk about it. Okay guys, let's get into it. So everything you see on the table, Walmart, you guys, everything was about $15 or less. The wreath was the most expensive. I want you guys to see on the back of the wreath, if you flip it over at the bottom, secure that battery pack with the ornament hangers, and then stretch it out, attach your lights. So easy. Pop on whatever ribbon and ornaments that you like, hang it up and enjoy. Hopefully this is really easy. I found it to be super easy for me, easier than I thought it would be, and it was very cheap and affordable. Now that we've attached our ornaments, get your door hanger and get your wreath up on the door. As you can see, it's got a couple of imperfections, but I think it's a really good effort for my first try. Have a Merry Christmas and good luck. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below.